Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! There you go, mofos. Skon! It's the big day, buddy. I'm gonna try out the water cooker. Alright, so I have here, what is this? 1.3 kilos of rib steak. So that's like 2 3/4 pounds thereabouts. Basic, easy. Montreal steak spice, bit of garlic, bit of salt, beer for me. Vacuum seal that bitch up, and I think I'm gonna do this for 3 hours. Let me get this thing out of here and seasoned up, and let's start water cooking. But first, beer. Cheers, big ears. Prosit, Leolis Houses. First one of the morning. There you go. And, well, it's not really that early. 11:30 in the morning. Alright. I'll be back. Alright, bitches. What's going on here? Steak. I got some butter in here, as well as the bit of garlic powder, Montreal steak spice, and a bit of salt. Vacuum sealed. Good enough. Temperature, I'm setting my temperature for 124. Check. This is the first time I'm using this, Skon. Watch the video though. Time. I think we'll do 3 hours. Three hours. No, wrong. 3. 5 minutes. Check. Alright. So, after all that kind of figuring out and shit, it's time for a zippy. Start. There you go. Well, bubble bubble, toilet trouble. Woo! It's actually, the water coming out of the tap is hotter than I want it. The water is 134 and I want 124, so I'll wait a bit. I'll let it cool down. Stop. Alright. Cheers, big ears. Woo! Alright, give me a minute. I'll be back. Alright. I got this thing in there. I don't have a rack for it or anything, so start. Bubble bubble. Alright, the lid doesn't fit as well as advertised, but it's there. There. Zoom in, eh? Zoom. Zoom. It's in there. Alright, we'll see in about 3 fucking hours. So it'll be about 3 o'clock. It's almost noon now. We get everything all figured out. Alright. Zoom back out. Whee! Beer! I see a beer. I also see a Vault Boy too. 2 Vault Boys. Alright. Sous-Vide. First time for me. Kind of fucking freaky. Tell ya, I do not like this principle. Food should not be cooked in a fucking bag. And in water. Should be cooked on a fucking grill. Don't worry. Still going on the fucking grill. Charcoal. Alright. Drink up. Buttercup. Woo! Skon! Woo! Alright, that's all I know. Put it in there and away you go. But beer is good. Fucking A. Alright, bitches, it's been a bit longer than I had planned, and I did only have this at 124, so it's gonna be pretty red, but it's like fucking jello. It's awesome. Holy fuck. It's like almost 4 hours. I forgot to light the charcoal. I'm so fucking high it's not funny. So, hey, watch it wiggle, watch it jiggle. I'm still drinking too, but I'm stoned as well. Woo! Okay, charcoal's ready. I'm gonna go move this shit outside. Alright, outside. I'm not digging this water thing. Skon! Howdy ho, bitches. Woo! Look at fucking stoned. Fucking high. It's time to sear this bitch up. Where the fuck's my beer? Look out. Right on. There's beer. Cheers, big ears. Oh, like a smudge of garshix. Smells fucking beautiful. Tell you that right fucking now, bitches. Oh yeah. Banging. Somebody's banging something. RTFO. Alright, it's been a couple of minutes. I think we're good to go. Flip this bitch over. Oh yeah, look at it. Oh yeah, look at that. That's fucking great. Drink up, buttercup, and then shut the fuck up. Woo. Hey, look out. It's a smoky bastard. Woo! Okay. See what's going on the bottom. Perfect. You gotta do the bottom too, right? Oh no, my beer is way over there. Alright, I gotta get my beer and shut this off. I'm going in real soon. 2 seconds. Ta. Alright, bitches. So, this is way later than I figured. I don't care. So I am so fucking stoned, high, drunk. It's fucking beautiful. And it's like 4:30. So like I'm an hour behind. Big deal. This is fucking toasty warm. I got some curry and noodles to go with my beautiful fucking piece of beef. Oh, look at that juice coming out of that fucking okay. I was gonna say something really rude, but I'm not going to. Oh, that beautiful piece of beef. Oh, look out! I kicked the fucking pod. Look out, the pod of the try. I kicked it. With a back kick, actually. Alright, let's cut a piece of this bitch off, shall we? Look at this. Like, look at this fucking thing. massive. Woo! Well, charting it off on the fucking Weber. That was fucking beautiful. Can I use a fork or should I use the pinchers? Where are the pinchers? Pinchers are outside. Using the fork. This is gonna be fucking awesome. I tell you that. Hey. It is. Oh my god. Look at that. Okay. I'm gonna get this out and I'll be back. Oh, I'm here. Oh my god, look at that. Okay. I'll put it over there and I'll be back. You know what I mean? Jelly bean. Woo! This is real life stone fucking cooking, bitches. If I was normal, I wouldn't be this fucked up. Figure it out. Woo! Hey, beer. Cheers, big ears. I need more drugs. Alright, bitches. I got her all figured out. Still fucking stoned, though. Nothing wrong with that. Hey, horseradish. Get yourself some fucking horseradish. This'll put lead in your fucking pencil. Fucking A. Horseradish is good. Go check out my homemade horseradish video. Grow some horseradish. Grind it up and make the fucking shit. Alright. Try it. Look at this. That's, for me, that's fucking perfect. Perfect. But I don't like that bag thing. This is perfect. But I don't like the bag thing. I know how to do this like the real guy way. She's fucking tender, I tell you that. And you know what? A bit of fat there. But I don't care, I could have cut that off. I like that. A little horseradish. Oh, fuck me. That's beautiful. Oh, yeah. Well, that's fucking dynamite. Tell you that right fucking there. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh! That's beautiful. Okay, one more. That's rare. That's fucking beautiful. That is just fucking beautiful. Woo! Let's try some of this curry noodle shit. I like curry noodles. They're fucking good. Because curry is good. Any of you fucking pasty white guys out there that are afraid of curry. Oh, I can't eat curry. Fuck right off, you fucking cock bang bastard motherfuckers. Oh yeah. Don't need Wi-Fi. Just want my hi-fi. Fucking blow me. Eat this shit and shut up. More steak. Okay. More horseradish. Hey, horseradish video. Okay. I need a tea. Fuck, that's good. Alright. Detroit Dead Things. Finished. At this time. At this place. At this very fucking moment. It's time for a tea. And today, RT is a fucking Tisket. Good fucking Polak beer. So hey, Vault Boy approved. Right on. Buy this, drink it, and shut the fuck up. Because I'm going to eat the fuck up. That's fucking delicious. Look at that. I'll have some for later and some for breakfast. Not feeling that good these days. Can't eat too much right now. And I don't have a lap belt. Fuck, imagine that. Oh, that's fucking good. Alright, till next time, motherfuckers. I gotta eat, I'm hungry. Alright, RTFO, mofos.